A very good morning, guys, and basically just to launch the few remarks on what we'll be discussing today. Anyway, we're just going to navigate through the Windows 10 Pro, or rather navigate through how Windows 10 appears and how it can easily be used by the beginners. Be brief and precise in this tutorial. This might be a desktop. Let me see ways of how I can minimize this. Okay, all right. So this is my desktop, and we'll be looking at how to actually use the Windows 10 Pro. Okay, with me, this is our start button. This is basically for beginners who are launching out Windows 10 for the first time. Start button. This is a search. This is where you can search anything up in your computer. Now this is the taskbar. The taskbar where you can attach apps that you use on daily occasions, or rather you normally use them. This is and part of the taskbar where you find icons like the internet, volume, battery, the OneDrive, personal vault, that is already OneDrive. Talk about the Meet Now. This is the updated Windows 10, and then here we have hidden icons. You find the mic, Zoom, anything active here will be also displayed in the hidden icons. Okay, and then lastly, the most important part where I want to talk about is the part actually that displays the notifications. So here also under notifications you can as well find issues to deal with it, that adjusting Bluetooth, talk about also adjusting your screen brightness and the rest of the things. So here you find notifications. Just here it's notifying that I've plugged in the audio jack, which are the earphones that I'm using here. And then also we have the network, that is your internet, all settings. It's just like a shortcut of where you can find settings, the nearby sharings, airplane mode, focus assist, mobile hotspot, night light. You can just activate this and see the change in my screen. It's somewhere a little brown, I mean to say. Let me just turn it off. Bluetooth, you can transfer your work through the Bluetooth. I'll make a tutorial on how we can do this. The VPN, battery saver, the screen snip. I talk about the project connection. Here we use the system brightness. These are, you can adjust it. Thank you. Okay, let's leave it at that point. All right, here you can find Windows Start icons. You see what I have in my computer. Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Master Collection is also here. I have everything here. Audition, is it After Effects here 6, Flash Build, Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop CS6. I have everything here to deal with Adobe. Talk about the Azure All, that is FL Studio. Access. I have VPN. I have Zoom. I have what else can we talk about here? But basically, this is where you find everything to deal with the Windows Start button. This is where you can shut down, sleep, your computer restart, and then the settings are also there. Then the other one is pictures, documents. This is where you can switch your windows. I mean the users. You see users that I have here. The active one is the JoAs circle, but you also have a student window where basically my students log in and we do their work. Okay, basically that is what this is our desktop. You find icons just like you're seeing here. as you're installing, I have WhatsApp, I have VPN, I have I'm for music, FL Studio is there, Recycle Bin, Gimp for editing photos, and the rest of the things as you see. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Wishing you the best as you continue in your Windows 10 career navigation. Alright, see you.